Okay, we are here on a job site, and I want you to look at these gutters here. Okay, this is one of the prime reasons why you want to get your gutters flushed out. There is so much debris in these gutters that it has pulled away from the house, and it will need to have some more work done other than the basic gutter flush. So what you have here, this is a better angle. You can see that this gutter is totally filled with debris, and if it's not repaired really soon, it could lead to some substantial water damage, some wood rot. I mean, just all kinds of costs can come into play. What we will do on a normal basis is come out, flush out all your debris, flush out your downspouts, so that your gutters are free flowing and they can function properly. So this is your number one reason why you want to call Protex to get your gutters flushed out. Okay, another angle here. I want to point out one more thing here. As you can see, there's kids' toys back here, so this becomes not only a problem in terms of repairs, but it also is a hazard. If you walk outside and this thing falls and hits a kid in the head, that could really, be a bad thing. So call us today, 770-534-9274. That's 770-534-9274 to allow us to flush out your gutters.